winner of the 2022 TIDA New Zealand Renovation of the Year is Brendon of Modo Architects.
After 12 years living in this house on a Marlborough vineyard, the owners called on the home's original architect to provide extra living and entertaining spaces, plus a large covered outdoor living area. At the same time, they wanted to extend the landscaping design, including regeneration of the flora around the water edge. This site is a family-owned vineyard next to a river called Spring Creek, which runs right around the north and west boundaries. Here, the weather can be very hot and dry in summer and very cold in the winter, with high sunshine hours all year round. While it made sense for the outdoor living area to be on the north side, facing Spring Creek, it had to be able to be sheltered from the prevailing winds. It also acts as a large shading canopy for the dining room in summer and creates a sun trap for the winter. The result is a multi-purpose space using full-height sliding doors and a retractable roof to operate both as an enclosed extension of the dining and living room or a completely open deck. The TIDA judges were impressed with how the addition has created a flexible extension of the whole central living pavilion, providing extra living room space as well as the large outdoor room. Congratulations to Brendon of Modo Architects, winner of the TIDA New Zealand Renovation of the Year.
Oh, hey, thanks very much. Look, thanks to all of the judges and the wider TIDA team. I'm really pleased to get this. And look, first off, I'd like to say thanks to the clients, Hamish and Christy. They've been great, not only in this project, but way back, probably about 12 years ago when I originally designed that house. And it's really nice that they came back to me and they wanted to do a little bit of an extension. And also, hey, I'd like to acknowledge Wayne and Griff, the builders. They did a fantastic job again. Like any project, I think one of the key things is, not just making something look good, but it has to be 100% functional. And in this case, the key thing was just being able to make life a little bit better for the clients, to add onto this house in quite a small way, but in a way that really made living and outdoor living just a lot better. This space it's not just an extension of a living room, but a big part of it is an outdoor room essentially that can be configured in a lot of different ways. So it can feel like an outside deck. It can feel like a big extension of the dining room. And it had to be sensitive not just to the site and the amazing Spring Creek River that's right in front of the house, and make it better than it was, better for the clients. And hopefully it's done that. So look, once again, hey, thanks to everyone. I'm really happy to get this award. And yeah, great. Thank you.